Okay, so I just co-washed my hair. It was midweek and my hair was super dry from that braid out because of course if I put any product on it besides oil, it messes up. So yeah, it was really dry. So I just decided to co-wash it. I did use a new product. I did use a mask. My hair has so much shrinkage. I used a mask. I used this Amika Soul Food Nourishing Mask. It was like this little sample I had gotten from Sephora. Yeah, you know Sephora always give you the good stuff. But it's just, it says gratify your hair with rich high potency nourishment that hydrates and softens to the core. You just leave them on for 5 to 7 minutes. You can use weekly or daily. It was okay. The first ingredients is water, cetyl alcohol, some jojoba oil, and some pathanol, something else, chloride. Yeah, but so it didn't do much for my hair. When I was putting it on, it felt like it was doing a lot. But as I was rinsing it off, I was like, dang, where'd it go? But anyways, so cutting. Let's get to that.
I belong to you. I belong to you. Do just what you want. You're the one I try.
Okay, so as y'all know, I cut my hair before and I really jacked up my bangs. Where is my big comb? I gotta get my comb. Okay, so I rinsed that gunk out of my hair, but yeah, every time I use that As I Am co-wash, it don't really get the eco styler out of my hair. I usually use the, what is the name of that stuff? The Aussie co-wash. I haven't really found another co-wash that I really like yet because I don't really co-wash my hair like that. Not really, but yeah. So I watched a few videos, y'all, a few YouTube videos. So we gonna see if we can save my hair because I am not spending $75 to $100 right now on a diva cut. And I want a diva cut, but I really just want to fix my bangs. And my mirror is this way. So, because the last time I tried to do a video of parting in the camera, it didn't come out so well. So, and I'm not trying to make it super, super neat. I'm just trying to get an idea. Okay, so I think I'm going to work with, yeah, just about this much section. Yeah. And pray for me. Okay. So I'm just gonna pull the rest back and I'm gonna try to layer my bang, if that kind of makes any sense. Oh. Okay. So I don't have any product on my hair, not even leave-in conditioner. I kind of just want to cut it a little bit in its natural state because that's where I messed up last time. Is my hair wasn't even like fully transitioned in the front, and it's way more transitioned than what it is now. And I cut my hair while it was wet, of course, and it not only did it dry up shorter, but my hair has grew and curled up way more. So it look a mess. Okay, so first, this is like the main part right here that I had cut, not this part, right here. And as you can see, it's even short right now, like without it even having product or anything on it. So we're gonna skip that part because that's the part I kind of just want to, I don't know, bridge over. But okay, so I kind of wanted, last time I cut it up here, right by my eyebrow, and it was like little squiggly lines, barely curly. And so, but when I reached out my hair, it was about to my eyelid. And I mean, my hair, it has grown like crazy, but my bangs always grow crazy. But so now, without even me fully stretching it, just like letting it kind of hang. Shoot, this probably damaged anyway. It's gonna be cut. I kind of want to cut it like right here, but what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna kind of twist it, and I want to cut it like right at my nose, or actually right up under my nose. Let's just go, yeah, should I go up under my nose? Because we're doing shorter to longer to the top. So actually, I'll cut this right to my nose. Oh, well, I already started cutting now. I was about to move down, but I'm like, oh shit, I already started cutting now. Too late, Angela. Okay. Ooh, I think I just got a piece in my eye. Oh, guess not. Okay. So you see, even after I cut that, it still isn't too far off from the other hair, really. That's why I was really trying not to stretch it, and I really just wanted it to kind of fall. So let's do the next one. And we're going to do the next one, of course, longer. How did my brush get all bent? Doggone kids. Okay. So now we're going to take this, and we're just going to cut like, I'm cutting like down here, y'all. That is a lot of hair. And honestly, like, only reason why I'm just like cutting it and really, I guess, not caring, because I'm kind of over it. Like, I'm over my hair looking weird once it's curled and styled. Like, I want it to have shape and stuff. And honestly, even with it wet, I still don't want it all the way up here with it being wet. But like with it wet, I kind of wanted to fall right here, but I don't know. But actually, no, I can't say that because it already fell right there and it wasn't working out. So see how now the sides are kind of falling with it? That's what I wanted, that I didn't do before. Okay, so let's get this next piece. Y'all, excuse my arms. I got these dark patches up under my arms. I need to stop shaving and start waxing. I don't even know if y'all was paying attention, but you're paying attention now, so. And I'm just gonna twist it and kind of cut like right here. And I do the twisting thing. That was kind of shorter actually than what I wanted, but too late, oh well. So we gonna see how this thing all come out when I put my products on and stuff, because I'm gonna do a wash and go. So, oh goodness. So as you can see, the way my hair is falling, like, I just really pray it's not too short, because y'all, if it's too short, I swear to God, like, I would wear some box braids or a sew-in for the next 2 to 3 months until my stuff grow back. I am not playing. Like, if it doesn't come out looking right. But I feel like trial and error is just hair. It'll grow back, whatever. And my hair's been growing really, really good. So as you can see, this is what it looks like right now. So we're gonna get some product in it, and oh y'all, and yeah, because when I stretch it out, it's right by my nose. Like, so flat ironed out, my hair would be right here. So I would just have like some long, you know, kind of bang action a little bit. Because before, all my hair was the same length before I started my natural hair journey. So all together, this is the hair I cut from the front. This is all my little hair. And you know me, I may see some pieces around town and I may get the cutting, because y'all already know this side is damaged. So I may get the cutting and kind of trying to even it a little bit, but I'm gonna wait till my product is in so I can kind of try to see what's going on. Oh, what's that little ugly piece? And today the products I'm going to be using are for my leave-in conditioner. I'm going to use, did I say I was going to use this Mielle? I could have sworn I said I was going to use something else. Oh well. I'm going to use the Mielle the Mielle White Peony leave-in conditioner. I'm going to use that for my leave-in. I actually am going to use like a smoothie or whatever, curling cream. I usually don't do that on my wash and goes. I had stopped doing it and just started doing a leave-in conditioner and just a styling gel, but I'm gonna go back to it and see my difference, my change on it with my hair and stuff. So I'm gonna be using the Shea Moisture Curl Enhancing Smoothie, because I mean, this is, I know what I'm gonna get, you know, with this kind of. And for the styling gel, I'm gonna go back and use the Miss Jessie's Jelly Soft Curls. I really want the Pillow Soft Curls, but I actually really kind of want some hang time, and I heard the Pillow Soft Curls give you a lot of fluff. And right now my hair is too short for any fluff at all. So we're gonna use some of this. This time I'm not gonna use as much. Yeah, because it doesn't say, it just says to dry, either diffuse, or air dry. And it just says spread a generous amount until you have good coverage. Evenly distribute a capful or more to damp hair. Because I know some usually say like, oh, if you want this type of look, use a little bit. If you want this type of look, they like use a lot more. This actually doesn't say it. So, oh well. I'm just gonna kind of see with my own and check it out. And I'm gonna be using actually this for like kind of like a dimming brush a little bit. I want to use this. I'm gonna show you guys what this does. I actually like the way this comes out more than like my bootleg dimming brush, which is like my Annie brush, which is this one. So I'm gonna show y'all my detangler. And this is, what's that called? Goody hair, goody whatever. That is sold at Walmart. But anyways, let's get. Okay, I wanted to show you guys this Tangle Teaser and how it really gets my curls. Now I ain't gonna lie, I did it for detangling as usual with the rest of my head, but I didn't use it for what I'm saying it's good for, just because it worked on some parts. It worked on some parts, but not on all parts. Just because some parts of my hair just, you know how y'all gotta use different techniques for certain sections of your head sometimes? That's how my hair is, so. Okay, so now you can kind of see. You see that? And I ain't even put my doggone Jelly Soft Curl on here yet. Hold on. I swear, it seems like I'm always doing my videos at nighttime. Like literally, so this is the method I've been doing with my hair. I've just been kind of raking it through, which is, I usually don't do this method because it causes a lot of shrinkage. Like my hair just will curl and shrink just right on up to the back of my neck. But I'm gonna stretch it, so. But okay, so. So I do like that. And you see how it does the ends of the curls so cute? But anyways, let me finish.